5:05, a spotter reported a tornado on the ground 3 miles south and 11.5 miles west of Clearwater. This would be 20 miles southwest of Wichita. This tornado, according to the tornado spotter, was moving northeasterly at 25 miles an hour. People in Clearwater, Hayesville, and Wichita should already be in shelter. Don't fool around with this storm. We're not talking about something here that you think you could ride out. People at the Wichita River Festival should take cover now. Once again, a tornado spotted on the ground 3 miles south and
Okay, I'm looking northeast from just south of Clearwater. This is the second tornado that's forming just about a half mile to my northeast. It's in conjunction with this other one that seems to be roping out at this point. The wind just blew my car door into me here, so... Okay, we got a new one starting right over here. Here it goes.
There does not appear to be another tornado taking shape, but we'll be going under a railroad passing. I'll go back to Dan to update the situation. Mobile 22 and we're...
Dan Dillon in the KFDI Weather Center. Ham radio operators report 3/4.
It's going to cross Rock Road here in just a little bit, so I'm going to head in the easterly direction, but there's another one trying to form. Again, this one is on the ground. We've not been able to pass any road.
Dan Dillon in the KFDI Weather Center. I'm leaving John Wright. We're going now to Lee White.